3 simple to make gifts, show your love and. The number one thing about this season is the occasion to discover wizardry for what it's worth. Now and then it's as basic as leaving my front entryway and smelling the fragrance of piñon wood from chimneys in the area. Sometimes, it's packaging the children in their night robe and cruising through the neighborhood to see the lights. Also, what brings the most enchantment of all? Making endowments to impart to other people. Every one of the 3 plans is not just straightforward, they are beginning stages, hanging tight for your own thoughts, imagination and motivation to approach. You can change it as it feels great to you. For example, I like to keep a container of this by the oven consistently to use on everything from soups, stews and beans to meats, veggies and even eggs. Since we use this constantly, we make it with mellow red chili chips. If you need it spicier, you could undoubtedly add a more blazing chili or potentially chili powder. The chocolate suns are a simple canvas for whatever you can envision. The most straightforward sprinkling of walnuts effectively appears, a showstopper spread on the dim chocolate circle. The key is to use dried garnishes like a natural product, nuts, seeds, blossoms and flavors. Bone stock is an endowment of adoration and sustenance. It requires some investment, yet it merits each moment. It's a work of time and love that comes through with each taste. You can make this your own by following your taste buds and adding the spices constantly that sound great to you. Gift number 1, High Desert Spice Blend. Total time, 30 minutes. ½ pound dark chocolate chips or discs. 1 cup your choice of toppings, nuts, dried fruits, seeds or herbs or spices. Crack of sea salt. Preparation: 2 pounds chicken or beef bones. 1 large onion, peeled and quartered. 2 carrots, washed and cut into quarters. 4 garlic cloves, crushed. 2 dried chilies, stemmed and toasted for a few seconds in a hot pan. Pinch of dried or fresh herbs. 2 teaspoons black peppercorns. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Preparation: preheat the stove to 450 degrees. Spot the bones on a preparing sheet and meal for 30 minutes or until caramelized yet not consumed. Move the broiled issues that remain to be worked out by huge stockpot or a moderate cooker. Add the onion, carrots, garlic, chilies, spices, dark peppercorns and apple juice vinegar or lemon juice. Over high warmth, carry the stock to a stew. Turn down the warmth to low and let gradually stew. During the main hour or thereabouts, use a scoop to skim any contaminations and fat that rise to the top. Keep stewing on low warmth for 12 to 24 hours. Strain through a fine lattice sifter, fill clean glass containers and cool to room temperature prior to putting away in the fridge for as long as 5 days or cooler for as long as a half year. If freezing, try to leave at any rate of 2 crawls in the highest point of the container. Ensure whoever you share this with knows to keep refrigerated or frozen.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.